legendary actor Dilip Kumar Mohammad Yusuf Khan, who passed away on 7th of July 2021 at the age of 98, was buried in Mumbai's Johi Qabristan. Shah Rukh Khan, Vidya Balan, Ranbir Kapoor and a number of other actors paid their respects at his residence. His last rituals were attended by numerous members of film fraternity, including Amitabh Bachchan and thousands of fans. While PM Modi maintained that Kumar was blessed with unparalleled brilliance, PM Imran Khan took to the Twitter to state, "For my generation, Dilip Kumar was the greatest and most versatile actor." Amitabh Bachchan also took to the Twitter to say, "An institution has gone. Whenever the history of Indian cinema will be written, it shall always be before Dilip Kumar and after Dilip Kumar." Dilip Kumar, one of the most respected actors, was known for his role as a tragic hero. His career had spanned over 6 decades, during which he starred in 60 movies. Andaz, Aan, Azad, Mughal-e-Azam and Devdas are reckoned as his chefs-d'oeuvre. Dilip Kumar was bestowed upon Nishan-e-Pakistan in 1992 by the President of Pakistan.